Welcome back to the flat renovation series. It is week number 4 or 5, I'm not sure, I've lost the count already. So, last Friday we had the new windows and the new doors installed. Let me show you. These are our new windows. I've covered them with some film to prevent them from getting dirty and scratched. Second window as well, nice and big. These are double chamber windows. They have a nice level of sound insulation as well as they hold the heat very well. We also have the new doors. I've covered them with some cardboard. Remember the good old sink? It's gone now. It was like a good old friend to me. And the pigeons are gone as well. Mr. Pigeon, no! You can see that the plumber is already making some progress here. We have the pipes going into our bathroom, and the plumber should finish up pretty soon, and then we can start putting the drywall in the bathroom. So as you can see above the entrance door, we have this little, let's call it a storage unit. The wall is gonna go like all the way here, and here will be the kitchen area. And we were losing quite a lot of space there, so I've made this little storage unit. It looks kind of weird right now, but I'm gonna install a secret kind of hatch, and it's gonna look like one solid wall, and it's gonna be quite nice. We're gonna finish up the drywall today, hopefully. And then we can start laying in the cement boards on the floor as the tile underlay. All of the walls are interjoined between each other, so it's like a one solid structure. This is the vent input for the kitchen. And that is the vent input for the bathroom. So as you can see, the tile is all in place. It's already dry, I can walk on it. It looks kind of nice, really. We're gonna have a vanity unit here with a mirror and a light. Washing machine there, shower cabin here, and a toilet here. All this green area here will be painted. That's what the owner wants, and that's what I'm going to do. You may have noticed that there was no bathroom in this flat before, and the reason is, let me show you, because they used to have a bathroom on the staircase. Oh dude, this is so awful. I wish you could feel the smell as well. But you know what's the best part? Is the fucking satellite under your head. Here do your things and get your daily dose of cancer. Dude, who came up with this? The kitchen area is almost ready for the drywall as well. It's a lot of cables here. Some goes to the stove, some goes to the fridge, to the fan, to the counter lights, to the ceiling lights. I'm gonna work on the bathroom now, grout it, and put some silicone on the edges. And I think it's gonna be it for this part of Soviet flat renovation series. In case you're wondering, it might be some time for the next workshop video, because I crashed my car and now I have troubles with transport. So yeah, it will be some time for the next workshop video. I know it may not look like it, but I've done actually the major part of the work here. I think it's gonna be one more or two episodes and we are gonna be done with this flat. Anyways, thank you for sticking around. Check out the Patreon if you want to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.